Want to learn how you can get low cost per leads by using Facebook lead ads? Then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here and welcome to my video channel where today I'm going to talk about the one most important thing when it comes to generating leads for your business, and especially if you are using Facebook lead ads. But before we get into it, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Now, when it comes to generating leads, it is an art. And the reason why I say that is because you would need to find a way to generate leads at the lowest cost, but not just at the lowest cost. You also want to generate leads that are wanting to conduct business with you and spend their money. After all, when you are advertising, your entire goal is to turn a complete stranger into your lead and then turning them again into a customer who's gonna actually open up their wallet and give you their money. And at the same time, in order for any business to truly grow, the most leads that you have, the more money you are going to make. So lead generation by far is the utmost important element and part of your business in order for you to truly bank in the profits that you really want. However, a lot of people think or wonder, what is the best way to generate leads at the lowest cost? And the answer is simple. You want to create a lead magnet. Now, don't get me wrong. I know that you have heard about the term lead magnet, but at the same time, I'm here to tell you, you need to create an irresistible lead magnet, because that makes a significant difference in your cost per lead and also the quality of your leads as well. So if you're looking to start generating leads with Facebook lead ads, or if you are already using Facebook lead ads and you're trying to actually get better leads at a lower cost, then this is going to be an important video for you. But before we dive right in, for some of you that are starting out, you might be wondering, what is a lead magnet? Essentially, a lead magnet is something that you are giving away and it acts as a bait in the market to attract a complete stranger to give you their contact information in exchange for something that you are giving away. So the term lead magnet really is created where the item or whatever you are giving away is acting as a magnet to magnetize your prospects so that you can actually speak to them and actually turn them into customers. But when it comes to lead magnets, a lot of people, or you may have already watched a lot of videos or even took courses on it, you're going to be told to actually create an ebook. Now, an ebook is great, but only for certain types of businesses and for certain outcomes. At the end of the day, you got to understand the lead magnet is designed to actually do two things. A lot of people believe that a lead magnet is supposed to just generate the lead. Yes, in a way, but no in another. And the reason why I say that is because the lead magnet actually have two purposes. Number one is to actually generate the lead, which we talked about. Number two is to establish a relationship with these leads, which is the most critical part that a lot of people actually missed out when they are generating leads for their business. Because at the end of the day, you can give anything away, but if it does not add value to your prospect, they are going to actually go find someone else. They will felt that they're gonna waste their time with you and they don't want to bother to deal with you again. Because it's kind of like you going out on a date. The first impression is the most important. And if you screw up the first impression, for you to fix it it's going to be very hard. And at the same time, as I said earlier, it also depends on what your ultimate purpose are. And I want to actually share with you the top 3 types of irresistible lead magnets that we use based on what outcome we are trying to achieve so that you can actually adapt this into your own business. So let's first start talking about the traditional route, which is having an ebook or a free audio or a free video. These are the most common lead magnets that you are being told to use and to actually attract your leads. Now, these are great if you are in digital publishing or if you are into selling digital products. These lead magnets is really basically created where in a way you're basically wanting to extract from the market who's interested in that topic, and they are simply going to get an ebook or video training to learn more about that specific topic. So at that point, what you're doing is that lead magnet of an ebook or video training is extracting from the entire market with hundreds of millions of people on seeing who is ready to actually go on to the next step. Now, oftentimes, a lot of people, when they get a lead through their ebook, they start selling immediately. Now, nothing wrong with that. However, if your lead magnet doesn't provide value and there's no aha moments for the actual lead, they are not going to buy anything from you or take any of your recommendation. Because again, you messed up the first impression that you have with these strangers. So what you wanted to do is, if you are into simply, once again, digital publishing or selling digital products, yes, having a free ebook, free video training in the specific niche works really well. It's kind of like yoga. If you are in yoga and you're selling courses about yoga or you're selling online classes about yoga, then you can actually create a simple 10-part video course for free that you give away to actually give these strangers some kind of outcome with your lead magnet. And if they actually got the video course for free and they learned some stuff from it, then immediately you establish your relationship with your lead. And for you to turn them into customers, it's going to be a lot easier. So as I said, if you are into anything digital like coaching online, if you're into digital courses, if you're into affiliate marketing, ebooks and video training works. But remember, the value inside these ebooks and video training is one of the utmost important part for you to actually ascend them and turn them into actual customers. Type number 2 is called redeemables. Redeemables work phenomenally well for service providers or local businesses. In a nutshell, what redeemables are is that you are giving away something that needs the lead to take certain action. Let's say buying something to get percentage off or get something in return. So an example right over here is one of our clients. He is into commercial mortgages. We have asked him, in order to be competitive, we need to create a redeemable offer. So in a way, person is actually in market looking for the best rate for commercial lending. And instead of just say getting the best rate, we're also saying, hey, get $1,000 off on your closing fee or $1,000 rebate. By doing so, if the person actually becomes a lead, we know for a fact that not only is this lead going to actually become a client, but in order for them to truly become a client and take advantage of that $1,000 discount, they need to actually respond to the client, and it gives the opportunity for the sales team to actually close the deal. Another example is simply restaurants. You can actually create a simple ad to give away a coupon, and we call these online coupons. And nowadays, people are actually more likely to go to a restaurant or go to a local business if there is some sort of coupons. And with the coupon, it doesn't cost you anything to give away. But when a lead becomes a lead, to get that specific coupon, they would actually need to go to that restaurant or go to that local business to redeem the coupon. And in that way, you're forcing the lead to take action to actually become a customer. So when you're crafting your lead magnet, think about if you are able to convince or give away something that's going to make your lead take a certain action to actually redeem the offer. Now, type number 3 is called demo. People love demos. However, demo doesn't work for every single business. Demo works for those that actually have a solution to a problem. So in a nutshell, what you're trying to do is to give a demonstration of your product or service and show how your product or service can solve the problem that these leads are facing. So here's an example of one of our ads for our agency. What we've done was we say that we have an innovative way to generate leads, schedule a demo for us to actually show you. Now, these leads are very responsive because we specifically say to them that they are going to actually opt in and become a lead to schedule a demo. So we already repositioned and positioned the actual stranger knowing that someone's going to contact them, which is our sales team, to show them a demonstration and then close them from there. So in a nutshell, if you can actually demonstrate your product or service, you can actually go ahead and create an ad and get your leads to schedule a demo. And those works phenomenally well. And if you actually look at all three types or all these three types of lead magnets that we talked about, we actually craft them in a way where they need to do certain things right after they actually become our lead. Don't go and expect that when you generate a lead and that lead will then do nothing but become your customer right away. That's never going to happen. You need to be proactive rather than being reactive. So once you get the lead, not only are you positioning them to take the next action step, you want to immediately get to the lead and actually fulfill what you are giving away when it comes to the lead magnet. Now, at the same time, there are some downfall or pitfalls when it comes to lead magnet. You don't want to create like a free audit or free consultation call or free assessment. Those not going to work out well because your competitors are also going to be offering the exact same thing. So when you're crafting your lead magnets, you got to remember, you're baiting a stranger to give you their contact information. But at the same time, your entire goal is to make them and position them to take certain action next so that it makes your life and your job a lot easier, or making your job, or I should say making the sales team's job a lot easier at the same time. So really look at your lead magnets and see if it actually fulfills all these criteria. And if it doesn't, go and rework it back. Because what we found after testing literally hundreds of different lead magnets, we've discovered the ones that it's going to actually make the lead take certain action, those are going to be the highest quality and we get the lowest cost per lead at the same time. So in a nutshell, I hope that this really helps you out and understanding how you should create your lead magnet. And in all honesty, that lead magnet will determine your cost per lead and also the quality of the leads that you are going to get. Now, if you are brand new into learning how to generate leads online, I actually have a free course for you right down below inside our community. There's a link where you can actually get access into our Lead Gen Mastermind, where inside you actually get all the video trainings on how to run Facebook lead ads to generate leads. You're going to get our strategies, and you're also going to get access into our community to actually get additional help when you are creating your lead gen campaign. So again, the link is in the video description. Go ahead and join us right inside and ask your questions. We're there to help. Other than that, I hope that you enjoyed this video and you learned a thing or two. If so, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. Till next time.